how to create a quick flex play on PrizePicks. Creating a quick flex play on PrizePicks is an easy way to make flexible entries with reduced risk compared to traditional parlays. Now, basically, to create a quick flex play, all you have to do is open your app or website and log into your account. After that, you have to select a certain sport. So you'll be able to see a couple of sports at the back of it. So let me just go ahead and then show it to you as well right here. Once you find a certain sport, you can pick players instead. So you can browse the player props and choose a certain player right here. So let me go ahead and then choose a certain player here. Now for each player, you can select more or less feature based on the projected stat after that. Now basically for a flex play, let's say you want an example of a flex play, right? So the entry is 4 picks with LeBron James having more than 25.5 points, Patrick Mahomes more than 2.5 touchdowns, Luka Dončić less than 8.5 assists, Cooper Kupp more than 80.5 receiving yards. The outcome, if all four hit maximum payout, if three hit, then partial payout, if fewer than three hit, then no payout. Now, some of the tips for quick flex plays is to just start small, begin with 2 to 3 picks to increase the chances of partial payouts. You can mix and diversify your picks across multiple sports for variety, and you can research the player by using their stats, trends, and recent performances to make informed choices. And you can also check some of the payout details. So I hope this video actually helped you as to how you can flex play and use it on your BetMGM. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.